Today we're heading to Tall Chief Cove, a Corps of Engineers campground on Skiatook Lake in northeastern Oklahoma. Join us as we explore the campground, take a look at the campsites and amenities, and share our thoughts to help you decide if this might be a good destination for your next camping trip. Before we tour the campground, let's take a look at the day use area. Here you'll find the boat ramp, picnic areas, lake access, and plenty of room to spend the day, even if you're not camping overnight. Skiatook Lake is one of Oklahoma's clearest lakes and is a popular destination for boating, fishing, kayaking, and swimming. From the boat ramp, you can see the campsites in Loop A across the cove. Just around the corner, you'll find a fishing pier, then a peaceful wooded picnic area overlooking the cove. We'll point out a few of our favorites along the way and share some things to consider when choosing a site. Loop A is one of the larger camping loops at Tall Chief, with approximately 27 electric campsites. To the right, this is one of our favorite sites, Site 4. We've had a lot of special memories there. As you can see from this side of the loop, you can see the lake from several of the campsites. This is Site 9, where we stayed on our most recent trip in June. While it doesn't have much shade, we found it to be a comfortable site with plenty of space. If you're curious why we chose a casita camper, be sure to subscribe. I'll be sharing a future video explaining why we felt it was the perfect camper for us. We had 2 ducks that hung around our campsite throughout our entire stay, and Buddy and Huck were definitely interested in becoming friends. This is near the area where our favorite campsite is, but I wanted to point out these double campsites, so if you have family or friends and have 2 campers, you can certainly come and camp together. Here's a throwback from about 8 years ago. Even back then, I found myself bringing my laptop along. Tall Chief has always been a great place to relax, even while still getting a few things done. Just beyond here are the self-guided nature trail and the Eagle Trail. Our kids spent hours exploring these woods. As we make our way back toward the entrance at Loop A, you'll find a centrally located bathhouse with 4 private toilets and shower rooms. And we're going to quickly just run back through the campsite to show you the left side of Loop A. If you don't mind not being able to see the lake, look at sites 20 through I think 27. There's some really nice shaded spots up there as well. Let's head towards Loop B, but I wanted to point out back over in the trees on the right is a small rustic amphitheater. Our kids loved exploring this area, and discovering places like this was always part of the adventure here. Now we will enter Loop B. Loop B may be the smallest camping loop, but it's a favorite for campers who enjoy being close to the water. Several sites overlook the lake, making it easy to fish just steps from the campsite. Every campsite in here also includes water and electric, and we often see tents up along the water across from Loop A. Such a beautiful view. We're heading towards Loop C, and you can see there's disc golf and a large pavilion. It's hard to believe looking at it today, but Skiatook Lake actually wasn't always here. Created by the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers with the construction of Skiatook Dam on Hominy Creek, Skiatook Lake opened in 1984 and has since become one of Oklahoma's favorite destinations for boating, fishing, camping, and other outdoor activities. That's one way to spend a summer afternoon. As you can see, the campsites in Loop C vary quite a bit, so it's worth taking a little time to find the best one that best fits your camping style. If you're staying in Loop C, just be aware that some campsites are a fair distance from the restroom and shower facilities. BobKat Camp Tip: wherever you're camping, take a minute to read the posted safety signs.
Okay, so this is Tall Chief Cove at Skiatook Lake in Sperry, Oklahoma. It is about 20 to 30 minutes north of Tulsa. As you can tell, there are so many amenities to check out, from bringing your kids to play, bringing your fishing pole. It's probably one of our favorite places to come, so I hope you check it out sometime.
Before exiting the campground, we discovered this peaceful picnic and fishing spot. It's easy to miss, but definitely worth checking out. Tall Chief Cove also features a separate swimming beach with nearby picnic areas, making it a great destination even if you're just visiting for the day. Okay, here's our recap of Tall Chief Cove. One camping tip: bring an extra water hose. Some campsites share a water hookup, and the extra length can make connecting much easier. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, please consider subscribing. What do you look for in a campground? Or is there a campground you'd like us to review? Let us know in the comments. Catch you next time.